Good morning and salutations, y'all. Today we got a pair of hi-hats, and let's see, these are a pair of SAMSON percussion hi-hats. They are hand hammered, cast iron, steel, cast, whatever you want to call it, molten bronze. There you go. But these cymbals have a crack in them. It's kind of hard to see what that's around the logo. It's about like an inch of a crack on the inside of the body, but we're gonna repair that. But before we do, let's give these little babies a sound test. All right, let's repair this babies up. Alright, y'all, we're back with the SAMSON percussion hi-hats. And as you can tell, the crack has been smoothed out. It's as smooth as butter. No more crack involved in the cymbal whatsoever. But let's give it a little sound test to see how it came out.